Hello my dear students, how are you? I am discussing with you retirement of a partner. When a partner retires and the total amount due to him has been calculated by adding profit on revaluation and deducting loss on revaluation, by adding to his account the amount due to him for goodwill, by adding to his account any general reserve or any undistributed profit which is lying there or any other amount due to him, it is added to his account, then an amount which is to be paid to him is found out. This amount is represented in his capital account. Now, the amount which is due to him can be settled in two ways. This is what we are going to discuss today, how the amount to be paid to the partner is to be settled. As I told you, it can be settled in two ways. One, the entire amount is paid in cash. This can be done in the capital account. When we prepare capital accounts of the partners, and I referred to it and I did it in the last question that I did here in the last lecture, the entire amount was paid to the partner in cash by debiting his account and crediting the cash account by writing on the particulars column to cash, and the amount is paid to him. This is one way. The other is the firm doesn't have cash to pay to the retiring partner. In that case, the amount is transferred to retiring partner's loan account. And this is what we are going to discuss, how to settle the loan account of the retiring partner. And for this, I have taken a problem from the book, and that problem is problem number 40 in the book. I have taken this in order to explain to you how to settle the loan account of the partner. See this, there are three partners in a firm. They share profits in the ratio of 1:2:3 respectively, and Z is retiring. Out of three partners, X, Y and Z, Z is retiring on March 31, 2010. When his claim including capital, goodwill, joint life policy and all other benefits which are due to him, this claim amounts to 2,40,000. Prepare his loan account in each of the following situations. Number one, if the total amount due to Z is paid immediately on his retirement. Number two, if he is paid 2 lakhs of rupees in cash immediately and the remaining amount is transferred to his loan account to be paid in two equal installments of rupees 20,000 each with interest at the rate of 6% on the amount outstanding. Give necessary journal entries also in each case, and of course his loan account also is to be prepared. It has also been asked here, prepare loan account of the retiring partner. So therefore, now we have to see how this is to be done. The first case, in the first case, if the total amount is paid to the retiring partner immediately, this will be done only in the capital accounts. When we prepare the capital accounts, when we have the capital account of, this is the capital account of Z, Z's capital account, and this is the amount due to him. $2,40,000 is the amount due to him. This is the amount due to him, and if total amount due to him is immediately paid in cash, so here it goes, right here to cash account, and pay him 2,40,000. This will close his account 2,40,000 and here also 2,40,000. This his account stands closed. This is Z's capital account. If in this case, in case number 1, we have if total amount due to Z is paid immediately, this is the total amount due to Z and this is paid immediately and his account is settled, nothing more is to be paid. In the second case, if he is paid 2 lakhs in cash immediately and the remaining amount is transferred to his loan account to be paid in 2 equal installments of 20,000 each with interest at the rate of 6%. This is something with different. In this case, we will pay him how much? 2 lakh, not 2,40,000, 2 lakhs. To cash account, 2 lakhs. Now, how much is left? How much is left? It is 40,000. This 40,000 will be transferred to Z's loan account. Here it is, Z's loan account. So, Z to cash is 2 lakhs and Z to Z's loan account is 40,000. So, his capital account is settled immediately. His capital will not remain in the books because if his capital account remains, he has not retired. His capital account will either be closed by transferring the amount from the cash account and debiting his account with the amount due to him, account will be closed. And if cash is not paid, then the amount will be transferred to the loan account. How much to be transferred? If the company, if the firm doesn't have any cash at all, the entire amount will go to the loan account. That means if the firm doesn't have cash, it will be to Z's loan account, the entire amount of 2,40,000 and his account will be closed. So, therefore, it implies that when all the capital accounts have been prepared and the capital account of the retiring partner, amount due to the retiring partner is to be settled, number 1, close his account. How? Either pay the entire amount to cash, writing to cash, or transfer the entire amount to loan account. Okay? And if part payment is made in cash and part is transferred to the loan account, then transfer the amount paid in cash, that will be debit his account to cash, that amount, and the remaining amount goes to the loan account. And it is the second case here. Now see, well, before I go there, here is the journal for this because they have asked journal also. In the first case, the entire amount, when the entire amount is paid, it is Z debit to cash or bank, being entire amount paid, being entire amount paid. So, this is the journal entry. What is the entire amount? 2,40,000. When the entire amount is paid is 2,40,000. This is the only journal entry. Now, when the entire amount is not paid, only 2 lakhs are paid and the remaining amount goes to Z's loan account, then we will have to change the entry a little here because we are not paying 2,40,000. How much cash is being paid? 2 lakhs. So, credit cash with 2 lakhs and then to Z's loan account. How much? 40,000 being cash paid and the remaining amount transferred to loan account. This is the journal entry. Second one, when a part payment is made in cash, it is to cash account 2 lakhs, to Z's loan account 40,000. Z account, capital account stands closed, mind it. Z's capital account stands closed. It was credit of 2,40,000. Here is a debit of 2,40,000. Z's account is closed. Capital account is closed. He is no longer a partner now. Now the amount will either be paid cash, entire amount to cash, or part amount in cash and part. These are the journal entries. Now come here that here is Z's loan account. In here, how much is transferred to Z's loan account? It is 40,000. So this is Z's loan account. Date will be written on which it has been done. So I'll write here by Z. The amount has come from Z's capital. Right here by Z. How much? 40,000. 40,000 has been transferred to Z's loan account on the date when he retires. Now this amount of 40,000, it is mentioned, it is to be paid in 2 equal annual installments. 2 installments of 20,000 each. And 1 installment will be paid, first one will be paid after 1 year. So if this date is 2010 April 1, this is April 1, on which this loan account has been transferred. The first payment will come on 31st March 2011. So when we have to make the payment to, it will be 2011. The date will be March 31. March 31. Here we have to pay him to cash account. Now how much is to be paid? It is mentioned here that he will be paid 20,000 with interest. Now interest will be calculated on this amount. So on this very date 2011